Our business is built on the satisfaction of others, so when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to make you happy too. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are very happy and satisfied, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favourite reviews, very inspiring. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. Call us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.